What's going on today, guys? Welcome back to the channel. On today's episodes of Breakdowns with Brian, we're going to be going over how to change the third brake light out. I'm going to change the whole housing. I'll throw in a real quick thing on just how to change the bulbs and what kind of bulbs to use for the old one if you want to upgrade those, and which I did. But let's go over getting this thing out. I wasn't going to do the video, but it's kind of a pain to get everything out here. So you have four T20 bolts here. So you'll need a Torx head, and you'll have four of them there. Those will pop out, and we'll do real quick on these here. And you just turn these. Get the smallest ones you can find. They don't have to have a bunch of LEDs on them. Just get the smallest ones you can find. Because a lot of times, like this one here, which always goes out, that's why I'm changing the whole thing. It's a little bit bigger, and it keeps burning itself out. So I'm just going to replace the whole thing. Now initially, when you do come in here, you'll see, you're going to see this piece here, but this piece is actually sits in these two holes here underneath it. So it's actually going to sit underneath it down in there, where you can't get to it easily, I'll say. So what's going to happen now is this is how it's going to sit inside the inside of the cab here. It's going to sit just like this. So if you can, get you a pick or a small screwdriver, and the clip is here. So you're going to push this piece in and then try to pull this out. While if you still have it down inside here. So we're going to pull it out just like that. And like I said, it's sitting just like this. So the clip is going to be on this side. And that's basically the reason I wanted to do the movie, or the video, because this piece here, like I said, is down inside here to where it's just not accessible. So I'm going to throw my new set on, and I'll do a video on these here. Throw these in. Always make sure they turn on before you put everything back together. And I'm going to try to put these back in the hole so you can see which way they go in. They could have just put them on the top side. I think that would have been so much easier to change out if they would have just put them on the top side, rather than having to mess with all this. Now everything in the cab here, in the hole here, is insulated, so I don't think that, there's one. Now you're going to take your pick tool and then just push the other side up, and then maybe try to see if you can pull it up a little bit like that. And that's how it sits inside there, just like that. So that's why you would need a pick tool to try to pull it out of here. And then you're going to put your T20 bolts back in there, just like that. And that's the end of it.